Hi everyone, welcome to Noodles Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the most simplest Chinese soup noodles at all over, because it takes less than 10 minutes. So let me show you right now. First up, let's boil some noodles. I take the slim noodles, it's easy to boil, around 2 minutes. And then we take 2 fresh shitake mushroom and crack some small eggs, because this is more nutritious. We don't touch the egg, we just pour this. While it's boiling, let's make the sauce in a bowl. Scallions, soy sauce, 2 teaspoons, and we add some white pepper, chicken essence, bit of salt. Here I'm using the pink salt. It's more nutritious and contains more minerals. If you like parsley, you can add some parsley too. Then hot water in. Now I smell all the flavors coming out because of the hot water. Or you can make a hot chicken stock soup also. It depends on your taste. Now the noodles is ready. We take some green vegetables. Few seconds, it's ready to serve. Now noodles in. Shitake mushroom, quail eggs in, and the veggies in. Wow, so tasty. Here, if you love spicy, you add some chili oil. It's optional. Whoa. So here we go. 10 minutes noodles. Now it's ready to eat. So now let's eat together. Wow. It's so cold outside. Even in Dubai, we have little winter, not always hot. After October, it has been really cold. Especially in the morning and night, it's cold here. This is the most cold temperature. Wow, it's so flavorful. And I'm going to take the egg. When I was a child at home, if my mom doesn't have so much time to cook for me, we'll make a quick cook. This is one of the recipes here, but it's so tasty. Wow, so satisfied. In the winter, in the morning time, to have a bowl of this kind of soup noodles, it's amazing. You feel warm in your body, and you will get the full energy starting from the beginning of the day. Soft and a little bit scrunchy, and the aroma of the shitake mushroom is amazing. Juicy. Oh. You can eat this as dinner, as lunch, as long as you are craving for noodles and you don't have so many ingredients in your fridge. And this is the one you must try. Here I'm adding hot water. You can add hot soup. Like you can prepare a chicken soup and store in your fridge. Second day, first day you prepare, and second day you can just heat it up and pour the soup, the hot soup, in the bowl, and brings all the flavors: pre-onion, the soy sauce, the parsley. You can add other. You can also add other ingredients inside, like shrimp flakes, the small shrimps. It's really tasty too. So you can put whatever the things in your home, and you can just pull it and add noodles, vegetables, and whatever you have. It's very quick and it's so amazing, delicious, and the most important thing, it saves your time and you can enjoy the delicious Chinese food. Wow. And for vegans, you can just remove the egg and you can put other ingredients you like. And you get a bowl of tasty, delicious, handy, easy made Chinese soup noodles. And it's good to go. It's good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, at any time, even snacks. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow I'm going to make another noodles for you. It's a little bit more steps, but it's really famous among China, even among all the international Chinese restaurants. Even the foreigners love it so much. It's braised beef noodles. So let me see you in my tomorrow's video, and I will show you step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.